Hey guys, welcome to English Express channel. In this video, we made for you a sport and recreation vocabulary talking about your favorite activities. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching guys. Athlete, athlete. She's a talented athlete on the track team. She's a talented athlete on the track team. Type, noun. Type, noun. Usage, a person who competes in a sports. Usage, a person who competes in a sports. Dribble, dribble. She dribbles the basketball skillfully. She dribbles the basketball skillfully. Type, verb. Type, verb. Usage, moving a ball by bouncing or kicking. Usage, moving a ball by bouncing or kicking. Referee, referee. The referee made a fair call. The referee made a fair call. Type, noun. Type, noun. Usage, official who enforces rules in sports. Usage, official who enforces rules in sports. Goal, goal. He has scored the winning goal. He has scored the winning goal. Type, noun. Type, noun. Usage, a point scored in sports. Usage, a point scored in sports. Warm up, warm up. Stretching is a good warm up. Stretching is a good warm-up. Type, noun, verb. Type, noun, verb. Usage, pre-activity exercises to prepare the body. Usage, pre-activity exercises to prepare the body. Coach, coach. The coach motivates the players. The coach motivates the players. Type, noun. Type, noun. Usage, person who trains and leads a sports team. Usage, person who trains and leads a sports team. Skating, skating. Skating is a fun winter activity. Skating is a fun winter activity. Type, noun. Type, noun. Usage, gliding on ice or a hard surface. Usage, gliding on ice or a hard surface. Dive, dive. He dived into the pool. He dived into the pool. Type, verb. Type, verb. Usage, jumping into water head first. Usage, jumping into water head first. Pass, pass. He made a quick pass to the forward. He made a quick pass to the forward. Type, noun, verb. Type, noun, verb. Usage, move the ball to a teammate. Usage, move the ball to a teammate. Scoreboard, scoreboard. Fan watched the scoreboard closely. Fan watched the scoreboard closely. Type, noun. Type, noun. Usage, board displaying the current score. Usage, board displaying the current score. Trophy, trophy. They won the trophy for first place. They won the trophy for first place. Type, noun. Type, noun. Usage, a word for winning a competition. Usage, a word for winning a competition. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.